Let's take a look. Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A preparer discovers that a client failed to report interest income in prior year. So you find an error that the taxpayer did not report certain income, interest income. What's the preparer's required responsibility? As a preparer, what do you have to do if you learn that the client did not report certain income the prior year? Well, A, file an amended return without notifying the client. B, report the omission directly to the IRS. C, inform the client of the error and explain possible consequences. D, refuse to prepare the current year return. Well, one thing is the extreme one is report the omission directly to the IRS. You don't work for the IRS. That's B out. File an amended return. No, not without notifying the client. Without notifying the client, you can't do it. With notifying the client, you can do it. You need the client consent if you want to do that. So A is out. A and B are out. And D is a little bit extreme, refuse to prepare the current year return. No, all you have to do is inform the client of the error and explain possible consequences and let them decide whether they want to prepare an amended 1040X. I mean, you want to let them know, look, if you don't do it, the longer you wait, eventually the IRS will find out, especially if it's interest income. Interest income is reported on the 1099 INT. And what happened is the IRS got a copy from the bank about your interest income. So if the bank sent them that you had $500 in interest income and you're reporting none on your tax return, it's going to be easily flagged by the software, and they will send you a discrepancy letter saying $500 was reported to you by ABC Bank and we don't see any interest income on your return. So you really want to go ahead and file that 1040X, which we'll talk about in a separate recording. Now, if you're taking this question on Farhat Lectures, you can ask the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, and create a similar MCQ. What should you do now? Whether you are a student, EA candidate, CPA exam, visit Farhat Lectures for additional resources, lectures, podcast lessons, additional multiple choice, AI resources, and support by Farhat team. Best of luck and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.